Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing these 100-piece mini farm animal figurines. Alright, so right here we have our farm animal figurines. This one does give you 100 pieces of the mini resin animals, which is clearly enough quantity to meet your needs. They have little yellow ducks and miniature animal figurines. They are super cute. You can use them to decorate your dollhouse, gardens, or any of your DIY projects. So this one right here is a little chicken, its coop, and its little egg. So you can see how super cute these are. And right here we have another bag. This one here has 3 different colors of these little dogs. You can see how super cute these are. They have little eyes. You can see the details in the nose, the mouth, the little bow tie, and their little tail in the back. Each one of these have the same details, except for they are a little bit different in color. Here's the white one. You can see the eyes, the nose, the little tongue, the bow tie, and the tail. And then we have the gray one, where you can see the eyes, the nose, and there's the tail. So these ones here are super cute. This one here has a pink little bow. Eyes are super cute. So you do get a 3-pack of the dogs. And in this pack, you get a 3-pack in the elephant heads. Or actually, these are 4-pack. So you get a white, you get a blue, pink, and a gray. So you can see how super cute these ones are. So here's the gray one, where it's got all pink ears and pink nose. And then you've got the pink one, which has a bright pink nose and a bright pink ears. So that's that pack. And then in this pack here is your chickens, your owls. You do get some porcupines in here, some ducks. So this one here is a light pink flamingo. You get a bright pink flamingo. You get a couple owls. So here is the owl. You can see the details in the owls, the eyes, the body, the nose, the ears. You get the little feet on the bottom. And then here is a little gray one. And then right here is a little white whale with a little pink lips and black eyes. And then you do get several of those ones. So here is the second one. Looks super cute. And then you have a little sheep. You got some turtles. Let's grab this one right here. This one is a little red rabbit. And then here is a little gray black turtle. And then you got some little chickens right here. Extra little chickens. These ones are super cute. They're super tiny. You got some ducks. Here's another owl. This is a white owl. And then here is a bee, a little honeybee. That is super cute. And then we have up here all these other different farm animals. These are super cute. I would definitely say if your kids like mini toys, they would definitely like this set. Here is your little ducks. You have some more chickens here, and then we have some ladybugs here. The ladybugs come in several different colors. You got pink, blue, purple, and yellow. So you got the dogs, the owls, the chicken, the ducks. Right here is the ladybug. So this is the pink one. It has like a little white thing at the bottom for it to not move around. So here is the yellow one. You got the blue one, the pink one. There's those 3 right there. And then you have a purple one. So here's the pretty purple one. So you get all these different farm animals. Like this one here is the chicken. They are super cute. You can use this whether you're using it for a dollhouse. You can use these in designs. This one here has a mini flower. So these give you 100 pieces of different farm animals. If your kid likes to play with mini toys, I would highly recommend checking these ones out. These ones are super cute. Although it is recommended no kids under 3, I would definitely say check out these cute little mini toys.